Hey, do you have a Mr. Coffee maker? Has this happened to you? The basket here, look at that, mine broke. So I was thinking I had to get a whole new coffee maker. That's not the case. You can replace just this part. I'm going to show you the part and how to do it. You can just order the part right here. It actually comes with two, so if it happens again, you'll be prepared. This is how easy it is to get this off. You just take this and you just pull it right out. Then all I'm going to do is take the new piece, put the new spring on it. Fits right in there like that. It comes with this little rubber washer. Fit that other washer right over the top like that. And you've now fixed your Mr. Coffee maker. You don't have to buy a whole new one. Spend only a few bucks and get this, get the job done.